We're using the potato lamb pieces to make a delicious lamb ragu. To make the lamb ragu, we're going to brown off the lamb pieces first, take them off the pan, and then we're going to add in our ingredients of the sofrito. So this is basically the aromatic base for the sauce, and it's going to just gently simmer with some canned tomatoes for about 2 hours. So here's our lamb ragu. I'm going to serve it up. And you can see that lamb is cooked through so nice. It's so soft and full of flavour from all the aromatics. To finish off, some good quality Australian parmesan. Here's the lamb ragu using potato lamb pieces. Super easy to make. It's all in the pot, 2 hours, gentle simmer. And look at that, with some beautiful pasta and parmesan cheese over the top. Fantastic.